The HiCAD solution for pipeline construction, 3D layout plan with all piping systems. From P+ID to 3D layout plan and back, installations with sensitive or high-pressure media are absolutely safe thanks to HiCAD Pipeline Planning. The linked 3D layout plan is accessed from the P+ID. The pipeline to be planned gets its information from the P+ID. The guideline is drawn only via the endpoints. The valves from the P+ID are installed mostly by drag and drop. Only the installation direction of the valves remains to be determined. If a component requires a connecting flange, the auto flange mechanism takes effect. Occupying the pipeline with pipes and elbows that have not been planned in the P+ID takes place completely automatically. If the nominal diameters of adjacent pipe components differ, the auto-reducer mechanism takes effect. Are all P+ID symbols installed? Control mechanisms perform the complex check for you. The route of an already completed occupied pipeline can be changed dynamically. Both the valves and the complete pipe with the components can be manipulated. In a nutshell, any medium can be transported because in HiCAD, all piping systems can be planned, welded, glued, bolted, or flanged.